In the grand whispering Pines Library, nestled between dusty tomes of history, lived a tiny mouse named Millie. Unlike her skittish sisters who feasted on forgotten crumbs, Millie yearned for adventure. Every night, she'd scamper through the labyrinthine stacks, her whiskers twitching with curiosity at the whispered tales within the books. One moonlit night, Millie stumbled upon a forgotten leather satchel tucked behind a massive atlas. Inside, she found a faded treasure map adorned with cryptic symbols and a red X marking a spot deep within the library. A thrilling shiver ran down Millie's spine. This was it, her chance for an adventure. Following the map's clues, Millie braved the forbidden Dewey Decimal System, narrowly escaping a rolling dictionary. Finally, she reached the restricted section, a dimly lit realm filled with ancient scrolls. There, perched on a massive leather-bound book, sat a grumpy-looking owl named Bartholomew. "Halt!" boomed Bartholomew, his amber eyes glinting. "This section is off-limits too." Millie squeaked, explaining her newfound map and yearning for adventure. Bartholomew scoffed, but seeing the determination in her eyes, sighed. "Very well," he hooted, "but this library holds secrets best left undisturbed." Together, they deciphered the map. It led to a hidden room containing a legendary book rumoured to hold forgotten stories. Millie, fueled by excitement, navigated through trapdoors and secret passages, Bartholomew grumbling all the way. Finally, they reached a hidden door. With a trembling paw, Millie pushed it open, revealing a room shimmering with an otherworldly glow. Walls were lined with books older than time, their pages whispering forgotten tales. Millie, wide-eyed, realized Bartholomew was right. These stories were powerful, dangerous even. But before she could dwell on it, a book tumbled from a shelf, its pages crackling open. Light poured out, engulfing Millie and Bartholomew. When they opened their eyes, they found themselves sailing on a pirate ship straight into the heart of a fantastical adventure ripped from the pages of the forgotten story. What became of Millie and Bartholomew? Did they escape the story? Well, that, my friends, is a tale for another time. Until then, remember, even the quietest corner can hold the key to the greatest adventure.